A new, innovative design that redefines the pocket holster. A low-profile cut stops any possible holster wear from scratching the slide of your weapon. Handmade in the USA with a full lifetime warranty. The edges go through a 3-step hand finishing process to ensure a smooth and comfortable surface. Carry comfortably without any need to compromise. Eliminate the possibility of an accidental discharge during the loading and unloading process. The BORAII Eagle Pocket Hook catches onto your pocket for a high-speed, low-drag draw. We haven't just designed a pocket holster, we have changed the experience of how pocket carry should be. BORAII Holsters, revolutionizing pocket carry.